Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Future Force. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated developments in military technology, the arrival of the US Navy's next-generation superweapons in 2025. These are not simply the latest upgrades to existing vessels or incremental improvements to old designs. Instead, they represent a complete rethinking of naval warfare in the 21st century. They are born from decades of research, development, and strategic planning, designed to ensure that the United States maintains unmatched maritime dominance for decades to come. In the face of rapidly advancing threats, shifting geopolitical tensions, and the increasing importance of contested waters, these new platforms are more than just tools, they are statements of intent. They show that the Navy is not only keeping pace with the future but actively shaping it. The exterior of these warships and weapons platforms is the first striking feature anyone will notice. Unlike older generations that balanced functionality with a traditional naval aesthetic, these ships look like something pulled straight from a near-future military science fiction movie. The hulls are angular, smooth, and purposefully designed with radar-deflecting geometry to minimize their radar cross-section. It's not just about making them look sleek, the design directly affects survivability by making them harder to detect and track. Every flat surface, every angled edge, every carefully hidden antenna is calculated to disrupt the way enemy radar waves bounce back, effectively making these massive vessels appear much smaller on sensors. The result is a ship that can approach contested zones without drawing attention until it's too late. The superstructure blends seamlessly with the hull, avoiding the protruding masts, cranes, and towers common in older vessels. Instead, sensors and communication equipment are embedded within the frame, covered with radar-absorbent panels. Some of the newest designs also incorporate retractable weapons bays, keeping missile launchers, guns, and other systems hidden inside the ship's body until the moment they are deployed, preserving stealth in all conditions. In terms of materials, these vessels are built using advanced composites, reinforced alloys, and next-generation radar-absorbent coatings. The use of lightweight, durable materials allows for improved speed and agility without sacrificing armor protection. Even the paint is a weapon in its own right, engineered to absorb or scatter electromagnetic energy to confuse radar detection. Beneath the waterline, the hulls have been optimized for hydrodynamic efficiency, reducing drag and noise. Many of the ships will use advanced propulsors rather than traditional propellers, further cutting acoustic signatures and making them harder to track with sonar. This silent running capability is critical in modern naval warfare, where being detected first often means losing the fight. The exterior lighting systems are also minimalistic and strategically placed, designed to reduce visibility at night while still meeting safety requirements. Inside, the interiors are compact yet incredibly advanced. While the Navy still values crew comfort, the real focus is on efficiency, automation, and situational awareness. Control rooms are equipped with wall-to-wall high-resolution displays, many of them touch-enabled and powered by AI-driven data fusion systems. This allows operators to see a complete, real-time picture of the battle space, integrating radar, sonar, satellite imagery, and drone feeds all on a single interface. Gone are the days of dozens of sailors working in separate compartments for navigation, weapons, and sensors. Many of these roles are now combined into integrated operations centers. Crew quarters are smaller but more ergonomic, with noise reduction systems and improved climate control to ensure rest during long deployments. The use of automation also means crew sizes are significantly smaller, allowing for more storage space, more fuel, and more advanced systems without increasing ship size. Performance is where these superweapons truly earn their next-generation title. At the heart of these ships are integrated electric propulsion systems, some paired with hybrid energy storage, allowing them to operate more quietly, accelerate faster, and run more efficiently over long distances. These propulsion systems are not only powerful but also adaptable, capable of switching between high-speed pursuit and ultra-quiet stealth mode depending on mission requirements. This flexibility means they can respond to rapidly changing situations without compromising their operational profile. On the weapons side, hypersonic missile systems are a centerpiece feature. Capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, these weapons can strike targets thousands of miles away in minutes, giving adversaries virtually no time to react. These missiles aren't just fast, they're smart, equipped with advanced guidance systems that allow them to evade interception and adjust their flight path mid-course. Directed energy weapons, particularly high-powered lasers, are another revolutionary addition. These systems provide near-instant defense against incoming missiles, drones, and even small boats. With virtually unlimited ammunition, so long as the ship has power, lasers eliminate the traditional logistics problem of carrying large amounts of physical munitions for defense. Their precision and speed make them ideal for neutralizing fast-moving threats before they can get close enough to cause damage. Railgun technology, though still in development, is also making its way toward operational readiness on some of these vessels, offering the potential to fire projectiles at extreme velocities with incredible accuracy and range. Anti-submarine warfare capabilities have seen equal attention, with advanced sonar systems, autonomous underwater vehicles, and next-generation torpedoes capable of tracking and eliminating stealth submarines even in challenging acoustic environments. Safety features have been prioritized like never before. These ships are designed to fight and survive in environments where advanced missiles, cyber attacks, and electronic warfare are constant threats. Automated damage control systems can detect fires, flooding, or hull breaches instantly and deploy countermeasures without human intervention. Multiple layers of redundancy ensure that if one system is compromised, others can take over seamlessly. Medical facilities on board are equipped with telemedicine links to shore-based experts, advanced surgical equipment, and rapid response teams, meaning life-saving treatment can begin within minutes of injury. Even the ship's navigation and weapons systems have backup controls in shielded compartments to protect them from both physical damage and electromagnetic pulses, EMPs. The unique selling points of these next-gen platforms go far beyond their weapons and armor. They are built from the ground up for multi-domain warfare, capable of coordinating with aircraft, submarines, land forces, and space-based assets in real time. Their communication systems are hardened against jamming, and their electronic warfare suites can disrupt enemy sensors, communications, and even GPS signals. This means they don't just operate in the battle space, they actively shape it, denying adversaries the ability to see, communicate, or respond effectively. Their modular design is another standout feature. Rather than being locked into a fixed weapons configuration, these ships can be rapidly reconfigured in port for different missions, from missile defense to anti-submarine warfare to humanitarian relief. This adaptability ensures they remain relevant as new threats emerge over the decades. Sustainability, often overlooked in military design, has also played a role. Hybrid propulsion systems reduce fuel consumption, while advanced waste heat recovery systems use excess energy to power onboard electronics or store it for high-demand situations like laser weapon firing. Many components are built with maintenance in mind, using modular parts that can be swapped out quickly at sea or in port, reducing downtime and extending service life. The emphasis on automation means fewer personnel are needed, which lowers long-term operating costs and reduces human risk in dangerous missions. When it comes to cost, there's no sugarcoating it, these are some of the most expensive warships ever built. Depending on configuration, each could cost between $3 billion and $5 billion, with entire programs running into tens of billions of dollars. However, this price tag includes the latest technologies, extensive survivability features, and the ability to upgrade and evolve the ship's capabilities for decades without needing to build entirely new vessels. In that sense, they're not just purchases, they're investments in national security that will pay dividends in deterrence, power projection, and operational capability well into the mid-21st century. In conclusion, the U.S. Navy's next-generation superweapons arriving in 2025 are far more than a new fleet of ships. They represent the merging of stealth, speed, firepower, and resilience into platforms designed to dominate in every corner of the maritime domain. They are a visible and powerful reminder to both allies and adversaries that the United States is committed to staying ahead of the curve in naval technology. With their unmatched performance, survivability, and adaptability, these vessels are not just tools for the next battle, they are the foundation for the Navy's dominance in an era when the seas are more contested than ever. They are not just warships, they are symbols of technological mastery, strategic foresight, and the enduring will to maintain freedom of navigation across the globe. Whether deployed in times of peace to deter aggression or in times of conflict to secure victory, these superweapons will shape the course of naval history for decades to come.